Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make KFC Mac and Cheese. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 6 cups of water, 1 1/3 cups of elbow macaroni, 4 ounces of Velveeta cheese, a 1/2 cup of shredded cheese, 2 tablespoons of whole milk or cream, which I don't have out yet, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's it. So let's go ahead and get started. I have my water in a large saucepan over high heat right now until it comes to a boil. Alright, my water has just come to a boil, so now I'm going to add my 1 1/3 cups elbow macaroni to it, and we're just going to let that boil for 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, so my pasta is over here boiling. I use a wooden spoon on top of mine. I don't know. I've heard that if you do that, it doesn't boil over, so we'll see. So now, in a saucepan, you want to go ahead and add your other ingredients. So this is the 4 ounces of Velveeta cheese, the 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of whole milk or cream. I'm using heavy whipping cream, so we'll see if that works. And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we are just going to cook this on low heat, stirring it often. Sorry about the background noise, guys. That's just my vent fan. Alright, my cheese sauce is pretty melted. I don't know if it melts more than that, but I think after you probably put it on the macaroni, it melts even more. And my macaroni has about 1 minute. My pot did almost boil over, but it didn't boil over, but I did turn the heat down. So I don't know if it works or not. So we'll see. After this is done cooking, we're going to go ahead and drain it, and then we're going to add the cheese sauce to it. Alright guys, that looks and smells so good. I just put my noodles back in the same pot after I got all the water out. And then I just added my cheese sauce and just stirred it around and around and around. And it looks amazing. So we're going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, nothing more. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.